So if you've been looking for a way to leverage on AI to make money in the online space, in this particular video today, I'm going to walk you through almost or over 7 ways you can use AI to double down your income in the online space, or if you've not been any online before. So this process is going to help you build up and how you can get started in the online space to use AI to make a certain amount of your choice for you in the online space if you only put in the work, right? So I have a lot on the air that I want to share with you, but I want to give you the right details and the right information to make everything possible and stress-free, right? So there's this one AI I've been leveraging on for a couple of months now, and it's been doing the magic on everything I throw at it. So this is what we are going to use to make that money that we desire every other month in the online space with just AI. It's not ChatGPT, it's not Gemini, it's not Cloud. So this is called GMind, right? So I'm going to share with you what you need to use GMind for in the online space to make money. I'm going to show you how it's been done, the opportunities of this, and how you can double down your income doing everything I'm going to share with you. With that being said, guys, let's get on screen and let me walk you through all of this process right here in this video, right? So coming over to GMind right here, you can see GMind AI. So the very first thing we are going to make money online with this tool is ebook, right? So I've been sharing videos about digital products. If you don't have any access to that video yet, you can check them in the description below. Digital products is one of the fastest growing business in the online space at the moment. And you can just leverage in on this and you can just plug in to make some thousands of dollars for yourself with ease. All you need to do is to know your niche, identify your audience, build a quality product, and sell it to the hungry market. So I have the detailed video in the description below where I talk about the products in the first part. The second part is the sales funnel, and the third part, which is the marketing, right? So you can just use that and use GMind to get your products ready and you are ready to sell to the hungry markets, right? So now let's assume like I'm in a health niche and I want to write a book that help people lose weight, right? So, and I want to use GMind to write this book and sell it to the hungry market. The very first thing I'm just going to do is to come over to this GMind chart. Then right here, I'm going to put in a prompt that is going to tell GMind to get this done for me, right? So I'm just going to put it like, I'm working in health niche. All right. So I want to create an ebook about how to lose, lose about, let me just say, about weight loss is the come up with some winning title, some book, winning book titles, right? So if we input this in, and you can see it's going to share with me a lot of ideas that I can use and create this particular product. So you can see this one fits body, fits mind. So you can see that. So the weight loss blueprints are mindful weight loss, slim down sustainably, and all of these things. So it's just left to you to pick a particular one that you want to use. So for me, I'm just going to use this, the ultimate weight loss challenge. So if I copy this and I'm going to tell it like, I choose this, then I'm going to put this in column like this. Then I'm going to say, write an outline for this. So once this is done, it's going to create an outline for this. You can see it's still going. It said, okay. You can see it's writing. We have it right here, chapter 3. So this is how you get started, and you can just tell it one after the other to write chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, till you get to the very last step of this. And with this alone, you can make a lot of money by just selling this ebook yourself or selling this service as a freelancer on Fiverr, Upwork, Topta, Legit, or any other freelance website that you might think of. So this is just a skill for you if you want to make money online with AI, right? So the next one I'm going to talk about is planner. Like if you want to do something at a particular time, but you always zone out, or maybe you want to create a journal that you can just pen down everything. So this can help you do this as well. So all you need to do again is to come over to this chart. You can just click on new section right here, and you can see lesson planner. So once you click on lesson planner right here, it's going to take you to the productive side of this AI, where you can just put the curriculum and everything that you need to do at a particular time, right? Or most of the time, you can just tell the GMind chart again, like you want to create a planner, and that is done. It's going to give you a detailed one as well, right? So the number 3 I'm going to talk about is online courses. Let's assume you are an online tutor like me, and you want to create your online course. You know what you want to teach, but you don't know how to break it down to modules, lessons in each of the sections, right? So you can just tell GMind, okay, let me do that. So you see now. So let me do an online tutor, and I want to create a course about freelancing. Could you write out my course outline for me? So once I input that, it's going to come up with outline. You can see introduction to freelancing, understanding freelancing, everything from A to Z. Now, you can just use this to build up your online course as well if you want to do it, or you can just go over to this freelance website and sell this service again as an online course content creator. You understand? That's just the service title. So you can just do this and you make so much money for yourself. You can charge anywhere, any amount you want of your choice is left to you, right? So the third one is templates. You can just come over right here and create templates about anything. So if you come over to writer's journey right here, you can see article writer. You can just click on this and write a lot of articles and sell it out as a template for people. You can tailor it down into a specific niche. Maybe it's health, wealth, relationship, anything at all. So you can just take it down so that way and sell it out as a template for people that want to write article, or you can just use it to get a freelance job as well. And the next one I'm going to talk about, which is very, very important, that I've been using these particular tools for and is getting me the result I want, is copywriting. Let me merge these two together, copywriting and social media content, right? So it's kind of tricky, but then you need to understand it. So you can see social media writer right here. So in case I want to run ad, this is going to write an ad copy for me for every social media I want to run it on, or personally email swipes. So you can just click on social media writer to write your detailed detailed ad copy, or any social media or any social media content. It might be like caption, it might be in form of article, it might be essay, it might be just an information message, anything at all. You can just use this from here to do that. So you just put in your prompts and you do everything accordingly, right? So for the copywriting side, you can come over to GMind charts right here. Once you click on that, it's going to take you back to the chart where you are going to input your prompts about what you want to write. And to get the best as a copywriter, you can just come over to Google and you type copywriting framework right here. So if you search copywriting framework, you are going to see every of the copywriting framework right here. So with this, you can see everything. With this, you can just choose the one that best applicable to you. For instance, I want to use AIDA. So I'm just going to come over to GMind. I'm going to click on new section right here. So coming over to new section, I'm just going to tell you to write a sales copy for a freelance course using the AIDA formula. All right, so let's do that. So write a sales page content for a freelance course using either copywriting framework. So let me put let me put full. All right. So putting that in is going to write this. You can see it right here. So everything is been perfect. So you can see everything right here. So this is just how you can do this with this. The other things you can do with this is product description, ghostwriting, rewriting. You can even do proofreading and all of those things. So this is one of the tools I want you to leverage on now to start and build up yourself. Even at all, you don't want to go deep into AI writing. So, but then this can help you scale up, build yourself, and get you some money to fund your dream or the aspects of tech that you want to go into. I just found this AI interesting and I wish to share it with my community. So, and I just outline any other thing that you, and I just outline some things that I use this for personally that's getting me the results. So I feel like you should try it out. And if that being said, guys, try this out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friend, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.